Good morning student. Today we are going to see 9th standard social science history unit 3 early Tamil society and culture. In last class we seen sources for the early of Tamil society and then Sangam age, hero stone inscription, archaeological material culture, non-Tamil sources and then the Sangam age chronicle, Sangam age policy, political powers of Tamilagam, Chera Chola Pandyas, primary and industrial crops and pottery. We are going to see exchange of trade merchants and trade routes. Today we are going to see means of transport. Bullock carts and animals are used to transport goods by land. Trade routes linked the various towns of Tamilagam. Various types of water crafts and sea-going vessels such as the column, Pari, Odi and Toni, Ponam and Navai also mentioned in Tamil literature. Porter and coins. Porter was the primary trade of exchange. Water system, that is called a porter, was the primary mode of transport. Goods for goods. For instance, rice was exchanged for a fish. Salt were precious or harmful and wood and equal amount of rice. The extensive availability of coin hoards of the Sangam age of the Chera Chola Pandyas and indicate that they were used widely. Tamilagam and overseas interactions. See the picture. That is called a barter system. They are exchanging the goods for goods. That is called a barter systems. Tamilagam and overseas interactions. The extensive availability of coins hoards of the Sangam age of Chera Chola Pandyas indicate they were used widely. Tamilagam and overseas interactions. Tamil country had connecting with the countries overseas both in the east and west. Roman ships were monsoon winds to cross the western seas or the Arabian Sea to connect the Tamilagam with the western world. Species including the pepper, ivory and precious stones were exported. Metal including the gold, silver, copper, precious stones were imported. Tamil Nadu to Red Sea coast. In India, jar with the 7.5 kg of paper, tea wood, posted the Tamil Brahmin inscription and Indian jar with 7.5 kg of the paper, tea wood, posted with the Tamil Brahmi inscription and Indian pottery have been discovered at Beneling, a port on the Red Sea coast of Egypt. A stone with the name has been formed the Thailand, southern East Asia, known as the Tamil literature. This stone was used by a person is called goldsmith. It was the structure used to test the purity of the gold. Emergence of towns and ports. The Sangam age saw the first urbanization in Tamilagam. The towns worked as ports and artisan centers. Arikamedu, Kaveri Pumbatinnam, Korkai on the east coast and Pattanam in Kerala were port centers. Kanjipuram and then Urayur, Karur, Madurai and Kudumanali were inland trade centers. Many goods and commodities were produced in these centers and were exported in various regions. What is an urban center? A planned town with brick architecture and a proper layout. Urban centers have a layer population involved in a non-agrarian, commercial and political occupations. Various industrial activities are seen in these towns. This is called a urban. Here we see the picture Pattanam, Kerala, located near the north Paravur in a village of Ernakulam districts of Kerala. It was an ancient port town that had overseas connection with the western and eastern world. Pottery sets. Here we see the picture Kudumanal, Tamil Nadu. Kudumanal is located near Erode in Tamil Nadu and is identified with the Kudumanal of the evidence of the ironstone beat cell work as well as megalithic burials have been discovered in this site. More than 300 pottery inscriptions in Tamil Nadu Brahmi have also been founded, excavated in the Kudumanals, iron orbits and megalithic burials. Near Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Keeladi is located near Sulaiman, east of Madurai on the highway to Rameswaram. In a large coconut garden is called the Archaeological Survey of India, excavated on an ancient town and then Sangam age. Pearl objects, gems, pieces and anatomy roads. Further exhibitions may shed light on the nature of the craft production and the cultural activities undertaken at this settlement. Various objects of ornaments from Keeladi. Brick structure of the Keeladi. Crystal ear ornaments Keeladi. A brick structure Keeladi. Furnace Keeladi. A brick built tank Keeladi. Faith and belief systems. Tolkappiyam lists out the preceding the deletes of the Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neithal and Palai landscapes. Murugan, Thirumal, Indran, Varun and Kottravai respectively. Jainism was presented as evidence by the caves with the Tamil Brahmi inscriptions. Present the certain centers, different groups practiced various forms of worship, culture and arts. Various arts formed to existed in the Sangam age, performance of the dance called rituals and preferred in the literature, composing of the poems, playing of the music instrument and dance. They were used by the women for decorating their eyebrows. And then conclusion of the lessons. Conclusion of the lesson. Primary production and exchange and social relationship in the landscapes and they paving the way for the development of literature during the period. The texts were compiled through the Tamil Sangam at the later. The Sangam age witnessed the transaction from the tribal society to kingdom center politics, sea borne trades. The society was diverse in nature. The lesson is completed. I hope you all understand this lesson. Thank you, student.